This is May 9, 2019. A question from section 161.4, filling of the casual vacancy carrying 4 marks. The provision 161 subsection 4 says, if the office of any director appointed by the company in general meeting is vacated before his term of office expires in the normal course, the resulting casual vacancy may, if in default of and subject to any regulations in the articles of the company, so therefore we have to look into the articles of association of the company, be filled by the board of directors at a meeting of the board, which shall be subsequently approved by the members in the immediate next general body meeting. So the board shall fill and subsequently ratified by the general body meeting. How long the casual vacancy director will hold the office? He shall to hold the office till the original term, provided that any person so appointed shall hold the office only up to the date up to which the director in whose place he is appointed would have held his office if it has not been vacated. So therefore, till the original term he will hold the office. And Companies Amendment Act 2017 from 9th February 2018 omitted the words in the case of a public company, which means this section will apply for the private company as well. So when there is a casual vacancy in respect of directors appointed in general body meeting, it shall be filled by the board of directors, provided it is also supported by the articles, and that appointment shall be approved by the members in the immediate next general body meeting. The person shall hold the office till the original director would have held the office had he not vacated the office. The facts given in the question are: Bright Motors Private Limited at its annual general body meeting, therefore shareholders held an office held on 30th September 2016, appointed Mr. A as a non-executive director on the board for a period of 3 years. Appointed on 30th September 2016, therefore he should hold the office up to 30th September 2019. On 2nd October 2017, Mr. A suffered a severe heart failure and expired. Therefore, there is a vacancy, namely a casual vacancy. The board of directors of the company held on 16th October 2017 appointed Mr. P in place of A to fill the casual vacancy so created on account of the death of the person. The appointment of P was made for a term of 3 years by the board. Subsequently, at the AGM held on 29th September 2018, appointment of Mr. P was not proposed or approved, as the board is of the view that it is not required. So therefore, the board thinks that they have appointed for 3 years, there is no need for any approval by the shareholders. The CFO of the company is of the opinion that the board has contravened the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, section 161.4 in respect of non-approval of the appointment of Mr. P on his office tenure. So therefore, the tenure, how long he can hold, and whether the shareholders have to approve immediately thereafter is the question to be decided. Now we will regroup the data. Company is a private limited company. Section 161.4 will apply because of the Companies Amendment Act 2017. The original director was appointed by the shareholders in the general body meeting. The director was appointed on 30th September 2016 for a period of 3 years of time, which will expire on 30th September 2019. He has died and there is a vacation on 2nd October 2017. The board meeting filled the vacancy on 16th October 2017, and the board has appointed him for a period of 3 years from 16th October 2017, which means he will go up to 16th October 2020. Original appointment will expire on 30th September 2019. Subsequent AGM was held on 29th September 2018. It has not approved the appointment by the Board of Directors held on 16th October 2017. So it is very clear. The words in the case of a public company was omitted from 9th February 2018. Therefore, section 161(4) applies to private company from 9th February 2018. The board is of the view that P appointment by the board not required to be approved by the AGM held on 29th September 2018, whereas the Act has been amended on 9th February 2018. In terms of section 161(4) of the Act, the appointment of the director in the casual vacancy is to be approved by the shareholders in the immediate subsequent AGM. The board's view, therefore, is not required to be approved by the shareholder is incorrect. CFO says the board has contravened the provisions of the Companies Act in respect of non-approval of the appointment of Mr. P and his tenure. The view of the CFO is correct. Board has contravened the provisions of section 161(4) as much as the appointment has not been approved by the subsequent AGM. The director appointed by the board would be eligible to hold the office till the original term, namely 30th September 2019. Therefore, the term of appointment for 3 years from 16th October 2017 is also invalid.